Unlocking value. Understanding, bang for the buck. Hello and welcome, dear learners. Today, we're embarking on an exciting linguistic journey to explore the phrase, bang for the buck. This is a popular expression in English, often used in both personal and professional contexts. Our aim is to not only understand its meaning but also to master its usage. So, let's dive in and get the best value out of our learning time today. The phrase, bang for the buck, is believed to have its roots in the world of economics and military. Initially, it was used to describe getting more military firepower for less money. Over time, the phrase evolved and became popular in everyday language, representing the concept of getting the best value for the least amount of money or effort. At its core, bang for the buck means receiving great value, results, or benefits in return for the money or effort that you invest. It's not just about spending less but about making your resources work efficiently for you. Bang, here is a metaphor for value or results. Buck refers to money, coming from the American slang for a dollar. When you combine them, you get a phrase that's all about maximizing value and efficiency. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios, from business meetings to casual conversations. Here are a few examples. 1. Shopping. I always check online reviews to ensure I'm getting the best bang for my buck when I shop for electronics. 2. Business decisions. The company is looking for marketing strategies that will provide the most bang for the buck. 3. Personal choices. I spend my weekends learning new skills online. It's the best bang for the buck in terms of personal development. While bang for the buck is widely understood and used in English-speaking countries, it's essential to be mindful of cultural nuances. In formal or professional settings, it might be better to use phrases like optimal return on investment or value for money to convey a similar meaning without informal connotations. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic adventure. Today, we've unpacked the phrase, bang for the buck, exploring its origins, meaning, and practical applications in our daily lives. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about expressing value, making connections, and understanding cultures. Until our next lesson, keep getting the best bang for your buck in your English language journey.